guys, welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, we have our first icon box by IPSY on this channel today. So this is the very first box for May 2023. If you guys don't know, this box replaced IPSY's Glam Bag X, so the icon box will be the new box moving forward, with all the changes they had with buying BoxyCharm and changing the subscriptions around a bit. So they all condensed into one. So we have our Glam X replacement, which is now called the icon box. So this is what we're going to get into today. This box is $58 and it is a quarterly box that comes out, and this comes with 8 full-size products in it, and the value of the box I believe is supposed to be up to $350. So we're going to get into this box today and see what I got. And I did get to make some selections for this box. I think they let me choose 2 products if I remember correctly. So this is what we're going to be reviewing today. So without further delay, let's get into this box. Guys, and this is the new filler that they're putting in here. I don't particularly care for this filler. I don't feel like it protects anything. It's literally just sitting on here. It has no kind of support to any of the products. It's a wonder anything made it without breaking. So we'll just go ahead and see what we have here, right? So guys, the first product out of my box is this Dermalectives toner here, and this is a purifying toner is what we have here, and this product is valued at $70. Can you believe it? I've never used this toner before. I'm familiar with the brand. I have tried one of their retinol serums and I really did enjoy that. But this is pretty fancy the way this one comes. This looks like it would be expensive just looking at it. I'm glad it's in my box. $70 is a bit pricey. Dang. Okay, well that's our first item out of the box. So let's go ahead and find out what our next item in our box is. So guys, the next item out my box, I have an Anastasia Beverly Hills product. So I have a cream bronzer. I've never tried their bronzer before. This color that I have is in cool brown, and I'm going to take it out so we can see what it looks like and do like a quick swatch. So this is our product here. And this is a very dark color here, which I think will be perfect for me for bronzing. And let me do a quick swatch so I can show you what it looks like on my skin. Why didn't I bring paper towel in here? Because that makes too much sense, right? Well, anyway, let's just go ahead and swatch it so I can show you guys. And this is a pretty dark color. Perfect for doing a bronzer for me. So this is our color. This is the cool brown is the color that I have here. I think this will be perfect. And this product here is valued at $35 guys for the cream bronzer. It says sculpting and contouring are also a cinch thanks to this streak-free formula, and it goes on matte, so you are guaranteed a seamless second skin finish in every sweep. So I think that's cool. So our color here again is cool brown and the cream bronzer by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So let's go ahead and go to our next product. So guys, this one came all in pieces with all of that paper stuff in here. But our next product that we have, this is a J.Lo beauty product. I've been dying to try out her products. So this will be great that I get to try it out in here. This is the J.Lo Glow Serum. So this is very pretty packaging, definitely. Let's find out some information about this product. So guys, this product here is valued at $105. Whoa. Yeah, I won't be replacing this one if I have to buy it, definitely. So what this product does, guys, is it says the name speaks for itself. The serum game changer status is all thanks to the sugar derived skin lifting matrix, Japanese rice sake, and yeast derived ferments which condition and help brighten the skin for that unbridled J.Lo glow. So again, $105 serum. Wow. Glad it's in the box, but I clearly can't afford to replace it at $105. So for however long this lasts, I'll have the J.Lo glow. So I'm gonna just go to our next product. Man, y'all killing me with these prices. Jeez. Okay guys, so the next item out of our box here, we have a Too Faced product, and this one is called the Killer Liner, and I have it in the color Killer Black. I like the killer part for some reason. It better be doing what it says it's going to do. It says experience a total control with this killer precision waterproof gel eyeliner that glides on for ultra smooth razor sharp lines that last for 36 hours. Now that is impressive, one that lasts for 36 hours. I'm going to just pop it out of here. This is valued at $23, guys. So this is our liner here. And a little bit more information. It says waterproof doesn't even begin to cover this long-lasting powers of this pencil liner. This is a highly saturated gel eyeliner pencil, not only that resists water and sweat, it also stands the test of time, and it won't fade up to 36 hours. That is awesome. So let me do a quick swatch so we can see what it looks like on me. Oh, this is very powerful and potent. So the color is definitely bold. You see it right away with the first swatch. And I like the felt kind of tip here that's on here, which I think is nice as well. But gliding on very easy. You guys see how bold this is with just a quick swatch on here. So guys, the next product I'm pulling out my box here, we have Tea Time by Biro New York. We got a Biro product last month. I think, oh yeah, that was the pear serum. So this one here, guys, is the English breakfast tea. And let's find out what this is. Yeah, it's an essence. Okay, it's an essence. So let me pull it out so I can show you guys. This is how it comes out the package. I'm going to shake it up a bit because it looks a little weird like coffee. So here we go. So this is what the product looks like once you shake it up a bit. This product, guys, is valued at $84. Wow, we got some really high price tags products in this month's box. Wow, $84 for a essence. Wow. So what is this supposed to do? So guys, this is, it says, want your skin to feel like it just had a morning cup of English breakfast tea? This restoring treatment essence is filled to the brim with black tea, provitamins, B5, squalane, kombucha, and provides your skin with all the nutrients and enzymes it needs to restore itself for a healthier state. So it sounds great, but this is kind of pricey. So we'll see how this goes. Let's go ahead and check out our next product. I don't know what else high price items are going to be in this box. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, man. Oh, okay. So we got a MAC product, guys. That's awesome. So we have a MAC Magic Extension mascara. So that's cool. It says enriched with a color amplifying crystal elixir formula. I haven't tried this at all. It says dish your false lashes. 90% said they achieve over-the-top exaggerated volume with this product. So that sounds awesome. Let me see what this one costs. Product costs $26 to achieve longer fanned out eyelashes, over-the-top volume. A couple of coats will leave you with lashes looking as good as faux lashes. So that sounds pretty cool. Can't wait to try this out. I'm going to just pop it out the box to show you what it looks like outside of the box. But this is our product here. And I can't wait to try it. I'm not going to open it so we can extend the life of the product without me opening it and exposing it to air. So that's our product. So let's go to the next thing that's in our box, guys. Ooh. So guys, the next product I have here, this is a Glow Recipe product. I love Glow Recipe. This is their Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. This is a hydrating and glow radiance product, and I think it's just a mist. It says this facial mist is so delicate it envelops skin like a morning Fog. This formula is a blend of watermelon, hyaluronic acid, hibiscus that refreshes and softens and enhances skin with makeup. So this is the product here, and this, guys, is valued at $29. This is a full-size product. You get 2.53 fluid ounces in here, and I'm gonna pop it out so you guys can see it outside of it. So guys, this is our Glow Recipe product outside of the box. And again, this is $29. And so I think that's cool. I love Glow Recipe products. So this is awesome for me. So let me get our next product out of our bag here. So guys, the next product I have a Pat McGrath Labs product. And I love Pat McGrath. So this is awesome for me. This is the Liquid Lust Lipstick. And this says Legendary Wear Matte Lipstick in the color, what color do we have? Nocturnal, what is this? Nocturnal Armor. Okay, that's an interesting name. So let me show you guys what this looks like outside of the box here. So this is our product outside of the box. And I'm going to do a quick swatch so I can show you what it looks like. This is so pretty. I like this. So guys, this is what the product looks like outside of the packaging once it's applied to my skin. So that's what we have here. And let me find the price for this one. I'm going to tell you what this one costs. So we have a Pat McGrath Labs Legendary Wear Lipstick in Nocturnal Armor. This is a $32 product, guys. This is a featherweight liquid lippy, goes on velvety smooth and helps to veil your lips in burgundy color that won't feather, fade, smudge, or transfer for up to 12 hours. So that is good. And this is what the color looks like here. And guys, that was the last item of my box. I did do one add-on, and I'll show you guys real quick. And that was for the Fenty Soft Matte Primer. I had ran out of this a while ago, and I really enjoy using it. So I just picked this up as one of my add-ons for the box. So guys, in review, let's go through what we got. This month's box, I think we were like half and half on the makeup and the skincare. So we have, let's see. Looks like, yep, 4 skincare items. So we have 4 skincare items here for this month's box. So that's the Dermalectives, the JLo Serum, the Biro English Tea Essence, and the Glow Recipe Fine Mist. And for our makeup, we have the Too Faced Killer Liner. We have the MAC Magnetic Extension Mascara. We have the Pat McGrath Labs Lippy. And we also have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Bronzer. So for me, this was a good box. You guys know I'm a skincare junkie. And I got a good match of everything. We do have a lot of high price products in this box, which caught me a little off guard that you have at least 2 of them that are really pricey. I think this was like $105. This was $70. I think this was like maybe what, $80 or something. So we did get a good blend of very well-known brands that we're familiar with, which is always a plus. And I got to try out some really good things. I've never used this cream bronzer, so I can't wait to use this one. And then we got some things that I think are good for summer, like the bronzer is creamy, so that's great for if you're going to be in the heat. And especially this eyeliner, which is supposed to last for 36 hours, which is dope. And Pat McGrath is promising you at least 12 hours with the lippy. So for me, overall, I had a very good first box with the icon box. I can't wait to see what comes in the next one. Guys, let me know if you guys are getting this box. What did you get? Were you like satisfied with what you received and what they chose for you, or did you not like this box at all? Let me know in the comments below. I love engaging with you guys and seeing what you think about these boxes. I know some of you are getting them, and sometimes they're not exactly the same, and we all get different things. So, you know, it's always nice to know what someone else gets. So guys, if you enjoyed today's video, please feel free to give me a like. It does help me on my little small channel here. If you have not already subscribed, please consider doing so. I do like to review different subscription boxes as well as whatever I'm picking up these days. I like to show you guys what I'm buying. If you are into that kind of content, then this is the channel for you. Please go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you here, a part of my family. But guys, that's it for my video today. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.